So guys, we would be discussing a position time graph problem from ncert book in this video. So the question is, a drunkard walking in a narrow lane takes 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward, followed again by 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward, and so on. Each step is 1 meter long and requires 1 second. Plot the xt graph of his motion. Determine graphically and otherwise how long the drunkard takes to fall in a pit 13 meters away from the start. So, by the reading the question, we could see a drunkard walking in a narrow lane. Walking in a narrow lane, the question is suggesting that the drunkard is walking in a straight line. Okay, he moves 5 steps forward, 5 steps forward, and 3 steps backward. 3 steps backward. Okay, each step is 1 meter long and requires 1 second. That is, speed of drunken is 1 meter per second. So we would like to plot this his motion on the xt graph. So suppose it is time coordinate and this is position coordinate. So let us take here reference point O 0 0. Okay, and here it is 1 meter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, here it is time 1, 2, and so on. Okay, so we have to draw the xt graph of his motion. X in meter, t in second. Okay, so this is 1 meter, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So each step of drunkard is 1 meter long and requires 1 second. That is, his speed is 1 meter per second. So he takes 5 steps forward. So here it is. He takes 5 steps forward. That is, he will move 5 meter in 5 seconds. Here it is. Suppose here it is 5 seconds. Okay, then 3 steps backward. 3 steps backward means 1 step, 2 step, and 3 step. So he will be, after 3 steps backward, he will be somewhere at 2 meter. So like this, and this has taken 5 seconds and this has taken 3 seconds. So here it is 8 seconds. Okay, and this is 2 meter. And again he will take 5 steps forward. So he is presently at 2 meter. 5 steps will take him to 7 meter. So he will reach somewhere here. Okay, it will take 5 seconds more to him, and here it will be 13 seconds. Okay, so 7 13, at 13 seconds he will be at 7 meter. Again he will retrace 3 meter backward. So he will reach at somewhere at 4 meter. So he will reach somewhere at here. So it is 5 seconds forward, and this is 3 seconds backward. So this point, the time would be 16 seconds, and the coordinates of this point would be 4 meter and 16 seconds. From here the drunkard will again take 5 steps forward. So from 4 5 he will reach at 9. So at 9 meter. Okay, so he will reach 9 meter by taking 5 steps, and this will take 5 seconds more. So the time will be here 9 meter and 21 seconds. Now he will again retrace 3 steps backward. So he will be somewhere at 6. Okay, so he will be at 6, and it will take 3 seconds later. So this coordinate will be 6 and 24. Okay, from here he will take another 5 steps forward, and 5 steps forward will take him to 11 meter. Okay, here somewhere here, and the time, so here it is 11 meter and the time is 29 seconds. Since 5 steps would take it another 5 seconds, so here it is 29 seconds. And from here he will again take 3 steps backward, so it will take him somewhere at 8 meter. So its coordinate will be, he will be at 8 meter at 32 seconds. Okay, since he was at 11 meter at 29 seconds, he took 3 steps backward, so he is at 8 meter at 32 seconds. Now what will happen next? So from 8 meter he will again take 5 steps forward. So here he is taking 5 steps forward, so he has reached at 13 meter. A time it would take another 5 seconds, so it would be 37 seconds. So by taking 5 steps forward he has reached 13 meter at 37 seconds. Okay, but we should notice that at 13 meter there is a pit, so he will not be able to get backward, so he has fallen into the pit. Okay, and the time taken by him to fall in the pit is 37 seconds. You could see this from the, you can find this thing from the plot of xt graph. Okay.